Hello friends, welcome to Ansys-Tutor. Welcome to part 2 of this tutorial series. In this part we are going to do the server setup and solution and see the results output from this analysis. If you have missed the first part of this tutorial, please go to our channel and watch the geometry creation process. It is a SF diffuser. We are going to mesh it now and do the solver setup and see the results output from this analysis. So let's start. Open the meshing workbench. The geometry has been linked with the meshing. Select this geometry. Right click on the mesh and select generate mesh. This is the default mesh created by Ansys. We are now going to turn on the adaptive sizing option and increasing the resolution up to 7. Now again generate mesh. There are some smaller cells than the previous one. Select the rectangular face and add the named selection to it. Name it as Inlet. Now select the other end, semicircular end, and name it as Outlet. We have successfully named the inlet and outlet boundary. Now we are going to name the fluid domain. Select the entire fluid domain and name it. The meshing process is complete. Now we are going to link this mesh with this fluid solver. Right click on the mesh and click on update. Now close the meshing. Open the setup option. Select the double precision, then click on start. This is the Fluent window. At the laminar flow model, turn on the energy equation. Open the materials window. Keep the default air as the material. Now go to cell zone conditions and check whether air has been assigned as the material or not. Click on apply and then close. Now go to boundary conditions. Select the inlet. See the boundary as velocity inlet. Click on edit. For the inlet velocity of the air. Enter the temperature of this air, inlet air. Let it be 305 Kelvin. Click on apply and close. Go to all of fluid domain. Go to thermal tab and keep the heat flux as 0 so that the outer wall will be adiabatic. Click on apply, then close. Now go to methods. Select the green gauge cell based special discretization. Go to monitor, select residuals. Increase the residuals up to 10 to the power minus 25. Now go to initialization, select hybrid initialization, then click on initialize. Hybrid initialization has been started. It is complete now. Now go to run calculation. Enter the number of iterations up to 500. Then click on calculate. Now the iteration process has been started. The iteration process has been started. It will take some time. Calculation is complete. Close the Fluent solver and open the CFD post-processing to see the results. Go to results. Now insert a contour. Select the entire fluid domain as the location. Select the variable as temperature. Increase the number of contours. Then click on apply. This is the temperature variations starting from inlet to outlet to this diffuser. The inlet having high temperature and gradually it is decreasing towards the outlet. Turn off the control lens for a smooth contour image. To save this image, click on this camera icon. Select the location where you want to save. Select the size and save this. Now we are going to create a mid plane about XY axis, which would be parallel to XY axis, and we are going to see the contours along this plane. For this, go to location and select the plane option. Enter the Z position, that is half of the geometry. Then click on apply. Now we are going to find out the variations of velocity and temperature at this mid plane using the contours image. So now go to insert and insert another contour. Select the plane as the location. Select the variables. Set the number of contours. Now this is the temperature contour. Similarly, you can get the velocity contour. This is the velocity variations along this diffuser at this mid plane. You can modify this legend bar. Now let's observe the flow path using the streamline option. Now insert a streamline starting from inlet. Select it as surface streamline. So we are going to find it at the plane, at the mid plane. This is the streamlines at the mid plane. You can also modify the temperature color bar, color scale option. Now let's observe the flow through this solution animation. For this, select the streamline, adjust the speed and click on play. With this, let's conclude this demonstration. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to watch our past video, you can get it out at the link below given in the description. For more videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Keep learning and keep exploring.